Hello, Bob Fleck, Executive Director for the Westmont Park District. I'm here at our fitness club today to tell you about some of the things that we're doing to keep our facilities safe, open, and clean for our patrons as they visit the Westmont Park District. With me today, Jalen Thompson, Midwest Mechanical Group. We're working with them in an effort to install these units right here. This is from Global Plasma Solutions. It's an ion unit. It's called needlepoint bipolar ionization. The technology's been around for more than a decade now, but due to COVID and health concerns indoors, this technology has taken off. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about this, Jalen?
Sure, Bob. As facilities look to reopen and return to normal usage, Midwest Mechanical is utilizing our expertise in indoor air quality to partner with the Westmont Park District and other public sector clients to aid them in their COVID mitigation strategy. Our solutions are aimed at utilizing the latest filtration technologies, such as this technology here, to create a safe environment for our schools, park districts, and other public buildings.
Let me tell you a little bit more about how this technology works. This little unit right here creates positively and negatively charged electrons. It gets installed inside the rooftop unit on the air supply side. These electrons are then carried through the facility by the air handling system, and they attach themselves to pathogens in the air, to particles, viruses, bacteria, and neutralize those particular elements in the air, helping to clean the environment and make it safer as we visit our facilities. It's an amazing technology. Again, it's been around for over a decade, but it's really gaining traction here during COVID. In the Westmont Park District, its Board of Commissioners want to do everything we can to keep our facilities clean and safe so you are comfortable coming in and visiting the Westmont Park District. We hope you come in and see us again real soon, and know that we intend to expand beyond what we're going to do with the 11 units here at the fitness club and put them in other facilities throughout the Park District. Thank you. Stay safe.